Hey there! Today, I'm diving into the fascinating history of the Android operating system. Buckle up, because we're going on a tech journey from Cupcake to the latest Android version. Android's story began in 2003, when Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White founded Android Inc. Their goal? To create an advanced operating system for digital cameras. But soon, they shifted focus to mobile devices. In 2005, Google saw the potential and acquired Android Inc. And that's when things started to get interesting. In 2008, the first commercial Android version, Android 1.0, was launched with the HTC Dream. But it was in 2009 that Android began naming its versions after sweet treats. Enter Android 1.5 Cupcake. Cupcake introduced an on-screen keyboard and video recording, features we can't imagine living without today. Next up, Android 1.6 Donut. It brought support for different screen sizes, meaning Android could now power a variety of devices. Then came Android 2.0 Eclair, introducing Google Maps navigation and live wallpapers. Oh, and who can forget the pinch to zoom feature? Game changer! In 2010, we got Android 2.2 Froyo. It sped things up with performance improvements and added Wi-Fi hotspot functionality. That same year, Android 2.3 Gingerbread arrived with a refined user interface and better power management. Think of it as Android maturing into its teenage years. 2011 brought us Android 3.0 Honeycomb, designed specifically for tablets. It introduced a holographic user interface and multitasking features. Later that year, Android 4.0 Ice Cream Sandwich united phones and tablets under a single OS with a sleek modern design. Then came the tasty Android 4.1 Jelly Bean in 2012. It focused on performance enhancements and introduced Google Now, your virtual assistant precursor. In 2013, Android 4.4 KitKat optimized memory usage, making Android smoother and more accessible for budget devices. 2014 was sweet with Android 5.0 Lollipop, bringing a complete visual overhaul with material design. It made Android prettier and more consistent across devices. Following that, in 2015, Android 6.0 Marshmallow improved permissions and brought us Google Now on tap. In 2016, we got Android 7.0 Nougat with split-screen multitasking and a revamped notification system. A year later, Android 8.0 Oreo introduced picture-in-picture mode and notification dots. It also made the OS faster and more secure. 2018 brought Android 9.0 Pie, focusing on digital well-being and navigation gestures. Then, in 2019, Android 10 dropped the dessert names, bringing a system-wide dark mode and better privacy controls. In 2020, Android 11 focused on communication improvements and smart device control. And finally, we have Android 12, with its bold new design, customizable features, and enhanced privacy options. From Cupcake to today, Android has come a long way. It's amazing to see how each version has built on the last, shaping the OS that powers billions of devices worldwide. What's next for Android? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech history dives. See you next time.